Okay, so here's the lot for sale that I pointed out earlier. Right there, and you can see that it looks like there's barren ground, not just brushy brush. Perhaps some way to pitch a tent in there. The problematic thing is it's rush hour, and I got to turn off my bike lights and sort of mosey that way. We'll see what happens. Well, the sun shone for about an hour this afternoon, and I had declined to ride because I found a place to do balloon animals tonight at the Big Boy in, I think it's Franklin, Ohio. Walked right in there and said, "Hey, I'm a balloon artist and I see you're kid focused. It wouldn't cost you anything. I just work for tips. Can I?" They said, "Yeah, can you come tonight? How long are you in town?" It was just like the perfect setup. So I am very happy to get ready to go twist and have a blast. And I told him I was in town all weekend, and if things went well tonight, then there'd be a lot of social media where the kids get their picture taken with their balloon at Frisch's Big Boy. And so they thought tomorrow night would be even busier. It's gonna be fun. I'm so excited, and it's so delightful to have a potential source of income on the road. I really do have to get a new phone. I just don't want to because the bugger still works. I just won't text. Without the ability to text, I also can't put in the passcode for my emails, or no, my voicemails. So anyway, it's time that I took a little time and earned some money. I'm gonna have a blast. Not to say I don't appreciate you Patreons, I certainly do. And I'm gonna put out a little video telling you what's in the black box. So anyway, here's my stealth camp. I love it because look how close it is to civilization, yet so secluded. And it is a lot for sale, so I'm not really doing anything wrong. And it's like my own little Christmas tree farm, although these aren't Christmas trees, they're juniper. And look, the birds are hitting these heavy, and these too. So there's a beautiful sound of birds all the time here. It's very secluded. There's no trespassing, just an old for sale sign. The perfect stealth camp. And it stopped raining and snowing long enough to start to dry the tent. The waterproofing is working. Looks like it might rain tonight. In fact, I'm taking the pants to my frog togs that I'm wearing the top to now, in case it pours on me. As I get out of here, I want to cover up my rainbow headband. One of my commenters saw that and asked me, "Does that have any significance?" Meaning, I believe, are you gay? And no, I'm not. I've been married twice and had several failed relationships. So no, I'm not. But I like it because it's sort of red, white, and blue. I don't know. Anyway, it never occurred to me to, if I was gay, to get a gay headband. But anyway, doesn't matter. It's 2018, almost 2019. So everybody just relax. That's my recommendation. And now I'm going to go have some fun with the little kids and the moms and dads and the grandma and grandpas. And I'll shoot some footage, see what happens. Should be good. I am pumped. Welcome to the Franklin, Ohio Big Boy, where I am twisting balloons for the little kitties. It's fun.
Change your bill, Sherry. Sherry's got the
Saturday morning, pouring rain. I got my socks out. Right here. A little gamey last night. Laundry today, and then back to another balloon twisting. I had fun. I'm halfway to my new phone with the tips. And the kids and the parents and the grandparents. It was so fun. I'll do it again tonight. If the weather's better, I'll move on tomorrow unless they want me to do a Sunday. Head for Cincinnati. It really makes a difference that I waterproofed the tent again. That was my problem early on. It had just lost all its waterproofing after 2 years. I love the sound of the rain. I love it that I got plenty of food, I'm warm. And this is a beautiful adventure. I think it's supposed to rain off and on all day. Right now it's just dawn breaking. I made a little cover for the zoom feature. Now I have to raise the cover when I want to zoom in. What I do is this little puddle at the top of my tent. Fascinating.